You can get some AC leak that comes in a leak detector that comes in a can. And once you run it through your system, you take this light and what's working. You take this light and put on these glasses, and you should be able to detect the dye if it's leaking out. Diversity tube. Against all odds, this orifice tube was recovered. This is what it looks like. It's a filter for your AC line. Keeps shrapnel from getting to your compressor and destroying your compressor. It keeps contaminants from flowing through your AC system and doing damage. However, I installed this one. This is the only one that I know over the years I've been working on AC systems. Put this thing in backwards. And when I found out, someone had pointed it out to me. When I found out, I went to recover it. Okay, this is left over. This is my broken orifice tube. And the reason it's busted up is because I put it in backwards. So I took some wire and made me a hook. And tried to dig it out, and when I did that, it broke into little small pieces. And I thought, this thing is not coming out, we have a problem. The next thing to do is to disassemble the line from the firewall, whatever it was connected to, and take a blower, a pressure, some compressed air, and blow it out that way. I did not have the blower on hand, and it was getting dark. I was running out of time. I even took some needle nose pliers and could barely get them up in there, begin to pull on stuff. And when I did, pieces of the orifice tube came off. And I thought, I'm in trouble now. I didn't know what else to do. And my last effort was, maybe, just maybe, since this end was open and was facing backwards, if all of that's pulled off, that meant that there's an open end where it may be possible to stick a Phillips head screwdriver, just the right size, into there, and hopefully push it in enough. Not sure if it's going to make it worse. But when I did that, and I was praying, when I pulled back, as a last resort, I took this Phillips head screwdriver and inserted it into the plastic. I wasn't sure if it was going to push it down further. I didn't know. But as a last resort, I pushed it down in there and kind of twisted it. And as I pulled back, I wasn't sure if the orifice tube was going to come with the Phillips head screwdriver or not. I didn't know. But when I seen the rubber, when I began to pull back, and then the whole tube came out, I was so relieved, because that was against all odds. The next thing to do was to disassemble the line, take a compressor, and blow this thing out, which I didn't have. It was getting late, it was dark. My time was running out. But this thing came out against all odds. Diversity 2, against all odds. 2, the orifice 2 dilemma.